Usohan thapa ubadei usamla puli naka school New Era Secondary School Khatwaimer Mausmai Ribhoi District ubalawan ra eka nam bat ka buram eka school ubalayo eka kerdan ka ba khatsan napdeng ki arpho haka exam SSLC mentau snem R1000 arpho ar kinong hikai lembak ki Khynnah school jongka New Era Secondary School Khatwaimer Mausmai menta ka sngi da ka jingkemen bar ka jingso sarong kila punkop burom yo sohan thapa ha ka jingdon rengkat lang MLA ka jirang constituency uba sostenas sotun kumukongsan kinong hikai ki Khynnah school bad urang ba snong jongka Mausmai na ka liang MLA ula a Jingiarap ru da ka song pisa shaute yu samla puli bad ula Kular ru ban ai ngobha da ka laptop show new Khynnah school kum kadak ka jing burom yo u la ban kado gani ka school ka bala seng house nam R1000 lai ha ka snong Mausmai kadang bun bha ki jingduna nadu ka Ïngskul hadu ki tiar pendon kam hapo kamra school kidang duna lun henry kala seipat ki Khynnah ki bastad mentau snem ki bala yale ka matring khat san ngun bat ki bapas ki long khat lai ngun na padeng kini usohan thapa ulayo eka kerdan ka bakhat san bat star mark haki santli ki subject ulayo ru shispa mark haka subject science bat udeiru ubahe mark tam haka subject Nepali habaro ka wei ka jella nakaliang MLA ula Kular ru bakum unong mikmat kathain un shimkhya banyakran shakibor ki bahalor jongka sarkar jilla banyo ikilat Jingiarap banshna Pynbha badon Pynbit Pynbyang yaki jungdon kam jongka te ka school.
Firstly, I would like to thank our minister who visited the village and encouraged us, thanks to me and help us giving this valuable time. He has lot of works to do, but even though he came here and visited us and help us, so that's all I can say. Like his teacher also who worked hard, teachers and my parents, and also I would like to thank my tuition sir who helped me a lot to achieve the top 15, to secure the top 15 position in Meghalaya and to score 92%. That's all I can say.
That this very compound, in this very compound, there will be a school. And then from this school, there will be students. And not only ordinary students, but students who have performed very well in this just included Sslc exam. This school established as stated in 2003, and the first batch of Sslc exam starts from 2020, and then in 2020 you scored 73%, and in 2021 it has increased to 87 in percentage pass, I hope. And then in 2022 92% pass. Not only that, it shocks me and everyone when we heard about the news that this New Era Secondary School, this incomplete building with no plaster, with additional classroom, just better, but students coming out in flying colors. This keep in everyone's mind that no one can stop anyone from achieving any goal especially my dear students, boys and girls, no one can stop you from achieving even the top of the top in the SSLC exam.